Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Best Buy. All supermarkets display different quantities of the same item with an included price for each advertisement. We need to be able to calculate which is the best value for money. One way to do this is by calculating the price of a single item or unit for each display. So for the first example, which is the best buy from the following? Now we have oranges for sale, and there are 3 advertisements. 4 for 60 cents, 10 for $1.40, or 5 for 65 cents. Now one way of doing this is to find the cost of one orange for each group. So for the first advertisement of 4 for 60 cents, we have 60 divided by 4, that gives us 15 cents per orange. For the second advertisement, 10 for $1.40, we have $1.40 divided by 10, that gives us 14 cents per orange. And for the third advertisement, 5 for 65 cents is 65 divided by 5, that gives us 13 cents per orange. So that's the cheapest cost per orange, so 5 for 65 cents is the best value. So this advertisement here represents the best value. Example 2. Here we have pears for sale, and the 3 advertisements are 3 for 30 cents, 4 for 45 cents, and 6 for 66 cents. Another method is to find the cost of an amount that 3, 4, and 6 divide into evenly. So what number does 3, 4, and 6 divide into evenly? The answer is 12. And there's your 3, there's your 4, and there's your 6. So if we took the first advertisement, which says 3 for 30 cents, this gives 12 for $1.20. Because 4 threes, that gives us the 12, and 4 times 30 gives us $1.20. If we took the next advertisement, 4 for 45 cents, this gives 12 for $1.35. Okay, because 3 fours are 12, and 3 times 45 cents is $1.35. Remember, in each case, we're finding how much 12 items cost. So for the third advertisement, that's an easy one. 6 for 66 cents, this gives 12 for $1.32. So we have 12 for $1.20, we have 12 for $1.35, and 12 for $1.32. So this one here is the cheapest, that one there, because for every 12 it only costs $1.20, so that's 3 for 30 cents. So that advertisement there gives you the best value. So this video has shown us 2 methods to calculate the best value when we're given different advertisements for the same product.